Hello. In this video, we'll be talking about hiatal hernia, a condition where the upper part of the stomach protrudes into the chest cavity. Specifically, we'll be discussing the foods you should avoid if you have a hiatal hernia. So, let's dive in. 1. Acidic and spicy foods. The first group of foods to avoid with hiatal hernia are acidic and spicy foods. These include citrus fruits, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and chili peppers. These foods can trigger acid reflux, which can worsen hiatal hernia symptoms such as heartburn, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing. 2. Carbonated beverages and alcohol. The second group of foods to avoid with hiatal hernia are carbonated beverages and alcohol. These drinks can cause bloating and gas, which can put pressure on the hernia and exacerbate symptoms. Additionally, alcohol can increase stomach acid production, making reflux more likely. 3. Fried and fatty foods. The third group of foods to avoid with hiatal hernia are fried and fatty foods. These include fried chicken, French fries, bacon, and processed meats. These foods can slow down digestion and cause inflammation, which can worsen hiatal hernia symptoms. 4. Chocolate and mint. The fourth group of foods to avoid with hiatal hernia are chocolate and mint. These foods can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, which is the muscle that prevents stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. Relaxing this muscle can increase the risk of acid reflux and worsen hiatal hernia symptoms. Conclusion. In conclusion, if you have hiatal hernia, it's important to avoid certain foods that can worsen symptoms. These include acidic and spicy foods, carbonated beverages and alcohol, fried and fatty foods, and chocolate and mint. By avoiding these foods and adopting a healthy diet, you can manage hiatal hernia symptoms. Make sure to talk to your doctor or dietitian to get personalized advice on what to eat and what to avoid.